was a uniformly higher day in grain markets with March corn up 9 3/4 cents to 4.84 1/4. The new crop December contract tacked on 3 1/4 cents to 4.56. Over on soybeans, March contract 15 cents higher to 10.34, and the new crop November contract 7 cents higher to 10.27 3/4. Over on the wheat side, that was the laggard, but still squeaked out a positive day. The March Chicago contract settled 1 1/4 cent higher to 5.38 3/4. Soybean crop conditions in Argentina dropped notably over the last week, with good to excellent ratings at just 32%. That was down from 49% last week. 21% of that crop is in poor condition. That versus just 8% last week. Now, over in Brazil, crops seem to be doing better. AgroConsult, they increased their production estimate to 172.4 million metric tons. That versus their prior estimate of 172.2. Yesterday's weekly export sales, that was strong week over week, but still below the prior 4-week average for soybeans. Many analysts will be monitoring trade relations with China, among other countries, as a new administration is set to take office in the U.S. next week. Signs of possible improving relationship with China was noticed this morning when Donald Trump posted on Truth Social that he had talked with Chinese President Xi, stating, "It is my expectation that we will solve many problems together and starting immediately."